Charades. I'm really good at charades. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Kang is Pantomime.
I remember that game sometimes. Oh, yeah.
Bruce gets 3 tries with 3 rounds.
3 guesses. Yeah. Whoa. I can guess.
I'm
Here
really
comes
good
it.
at charades, so you should be able to get it really easy. Anyways. Yeah.
Should be fun.
Yeah, fun.
Here comes the scary green monster.
Roll the dice.
Roll it like it's hot.
Yeah. And
Oh,
we have
numero.
a
Oh,
1. Number 1. Yeah.
Great
Number
monster
1.
photo.
That's who I am. Oh, 3 hands.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh,
Here's a number 1 for Kang.
number 1.
Read the
Yeah.
back.
Yeah. Number 1. Okay. Here it is.
You're a hovercraft.
Oh.
You're dancing on air.
Oh. I'm so obvious. You should get it easy. Here we are.
You're lacking oxygen.
No. You lose. I win. What did I win?
Next round, please.
Next round.
We'll
Yeah.
put this back here.
Winning
There we
the
are.
next round.
There we are.
Yeah, I'll win the next round too.
I don't-
Yeah. I
Life
won
is
that one,
uncertain.
didn't I?
Roll the dice anyway.
Roll.
Yeah. What am I doing?
We've got a 5.
5. A 5.
Take it away.
Here we are.
Oh, yes. 5. A little slow on the count. There we go.
Okay. I got
There
it.
we go.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay. Let's see it. A zit.
No. That's silly.
You're a blue smarty.
I'm blue, but that has nothing to do with it. Yeah. Anyway, let's try this one more time. Last guess on this one.
You're a somnambulist, a sleepwalker.
No, I was freezing to death. So obvious. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next
Take 3.
round.
Next round. Final round.
Last round.
Last round.
Last chance.
Pack your dice, not your worries.
Okay, we got a dice roll.
No. Oh, hot 5 already used. Roll again.
Roll again.
And we've got number 1. Oh,
Number 1.
life is uncertain.
We had a 1 already.
Roll anyway.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
and we'll
Dice.
just take a number 6. Number 6 is fine.
There.
Yeah, it's a 6.
Six.
It is a 6.
It is a 6. Haha.
There we go.
Lucky. Anyway, okay, I got it. Easy.
You're a guy Smiley.
No.
Blueberry getting picked for its first time.
Blueberries just get picked once. And no. Try one more time.
You're constipated.
No. I was sitting on a cactus. So obvious. I'm so good at this.
Maybe I'm constipated.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I don't have that problem.
Well, I'm gonna go try and have a poo.
Yeah,
Dang.
I won.
You won. Cockadoodle don't leave
What did
without
I
your
win?
winnings. Would you like to know what you won?
What did I win?
There.
Oh,
You won
A minute of time.
Yeah.
Wow. I always
You're-
wanted a minute of time.
Yeah, you won for being the best
Yeah.
player and the only charades player I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Here,
Awesome.
your minute of time.
A minute of time.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
My throat hurts.
Yeah. I get a minute of time. Oh, joy. Oh, wow. A whole minute of time, all to myself. You know, everybody shares the same minutes all the time. Yeah, 1 minute for the whole universe. Yeah, it sucks. I like my own minute. Yeah. Wow. I can reflect on myself. Yeah. Good reflection. I'm the most gorgeous creature in the universe. Yeah. I'm blue. Yeah. Blue. Oh, blueness. I like blueness. My whole minute to contemplate my blueness. Yeah. Oh, I'm blue. Yeah. Kang rules. Kang is blue.